To install your Canon TS3122 printer, follow these steps. 1. Unbox and set up. Unbox the printer, remove the printer and all included accessories from the box. You should find the printer itself, a power cord, ink cartridges, and paper trays. Remove packing materials, take out any protective materials and tapes from the printer. Install the paper tray, insert the paper tray into the designated slot at the bottom of the printer. 2. Install the ink cartridges. Power on, plug in the printer and turn it on using the power button. Open the ink cartridge compartment, the printer will automatically move the print head to the center. Install cartridges, unwrap the ink cartridges. Insert them into the correct slots, matching the colors with the corresponding slots. Push down until they click into place. Close the cartridge compartment, ensure it's securely closed. 3. Load paper. Adjust paper guides, slide the paper guides in the paper tray to match the size of the paper you're using. Load paper, place a stack of paper into the tray and adjust the guides so they lightly touch the edges of the paper. 4. Install printer software. For Windows. Connect printer to computer, use a USB cable to connect the printer to your computer or connect it to the same Wi-Fi network if using wireless. Download software, visit the Canon support website and download the latest drivers and software for the TS3122. Run the installer, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the printer software. Complete setup, the software will guide you through connecting the printer to your computer. For Mac. Connect printer to computer, use a USB cable or connect via Wi-Fi. Download software, go to the Canon support website and download the macOS drivers and software for the TS3122. Open the installer, run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. 5. Set up wireless, if needed. Access wireless settings. On the printer, press the Wi-Fi button to enable wireless mode. The wireless light should start blinking. Use the printer's control panel, navigate to the wireless setup option and select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted. Connect to network, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the wireless setup. 6. Test the printer. Print a test page. From your computer, open a document and try printing to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues during installation, refer to the user manual or Canon support website for troubleshooting tips.